In today's video, I'm going to teach you the easy way to move or migrate your Shopify store to another e-commerce platform. Whether you're switching platforms for better features, lower costs, or any other reason, this process is quite manageable, even if you're not a tech expert. Stick with me, and I'll guide you through each step clearly and concisely. First, we'll start by visiting a website called lidextension.com. It's an online service designed specifically to facilitate the process of moving your store data from one e-commerce platform to another. When you arrive at the home page, you'll see options to either log in if you already have an account or start a free trial if you're new to the service. If you choose the trial, just follow the prompts to create an account. Don't worry, it's a pretty swift process, and it'll get you set up without any hassle. Once you're logged in, you'll begin setting up your migration. The first step here is to select your source cart type, which, for us, is Shopify. This tells lidextension that you're working from Shopify as your starting point. Next, you'll be asked to choose your target cart type, which is essentially the platform you're moving to. Simply select the e-commerce site you've decided to migrate to. This might be a platform like WooCommerce, BigCommerce, or any other that fits your needs. Now, this part is essential, so pay attention. You'll need to enter some additional details about your stores. This could include specific store URLs, API keys, or any necessary credentials to ensure a smooth transition from one platform to the other. It might seem a bit tricky, but just follow the clear instructions provided by lidextension on this page. They do an excellent job of making it straightforward. After you've input all the relevant details, you're going to hit the Next button. This essentially launches the migration process. Lidextension will guide you through the subsequent steps, and this process is largely automated on their end. You'll be prompted as needed with instructions on what to do next, ensuring that you don't miss any critical elements. And that's all there is to it. By using lidextension, you're allowing the platform to handle the heavy lifting, making sure the complex details of data migration are managed seamlessly. Of course, if you encounter any issues or have questions about specific data types, like product descriptions or customer details, don't hesitate to reach out to lidextension's support for help. They're pretty responsive and should be able to assist you with any peculiarities. Thank you for tuning in, and good luck with your store migration. Once you complete this process, you'll have your store ready on your new platform, hopefully obtaining all the advantages you were looking for.